Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from Extreme Fingerpicking. In this lesson, we're learning how to play a really fun kind of beginner, intermediate level fingerstyle arrangement of Another Brick in the Wall by Pink Floyd. If you'd like the guitar tab for this, that's available down below. You can get the tab for this or any other song that I've previously taught for 25% off when you join my newsletter. So you can sign up to that down below if you wish. Also, when you join the newsletter, you get early access to all of my lessons and you can try out any of my fingerpicking courses completely for free and more. So if you want to take advantage, as I say, sign up below. But now let's get into the lesson. So for this one, we're in standard tuning and we have a capo placed on the 5th fret. Get those two things, give the video a quick thumbs up, and let's get straight on with the lesson. So I'll be referring to the chords as if there were no capo on, and the first few bars go like this. So that's nice and simple. Just hold down an A minor chord and play the 3rd and the 5th string together. Then open the 2nd string, and then 1st fret on the same string, and then open 2nd string. So that's just okay. And then the next bar is basically the same thing. It's just the rhythm of the melody is slightly different. So play again strings 3 and 5. And then open 2nd string, 1st fret, and then open again. So you got we don't need no education. And then we've got this like rhythmic idea. So it's which is really nice to play. So still on the A minor, play the bass, then we're going to strum up, down. And I'm really targeting strings roughly 2, 3, and 4. Just strum up, down with your index, like that. Then we're going to play the 3rd fret on the 6th string, and then back to the root note, open 5th string. So like, and then we'll strum down, up again. So slowly you've got. Okay, and then one more bar like that. So play the bass, and then strum up, down, and then the bass is going to go 5th string, 6th string, and then 3rd fret on the 6th string. So like that. So just those couple of bars there. Like that. So that's the first 4 bars we've played. Okay, and then it's very similar. So that's exactly the same as the first bar, still on A minor, play strings 3 and 5. And then on the 2nd string, open 1, open. Exactly the same as the first bar. And then the next bar, it's just strings 3 and 5. And then on the 2nd string, it's just open, 1st fret. So that's, we don't need no thought control. And then you just go straight back into the rhythmic idea. Okay, so that's exactly the same. So that's the first 8 bars. We got, we don't need no education. We don't need no thought control. Okay, and then you're going to quickly play the open 3rd string, and then back to your A minor and play strings 3 and 5, and then on the 2nd string, open 1, open. So that's like no dark sarcasm. All right, and then still on the A minor, strings 3 and 5 again, and then on the 2nd string, open 1, open. So from the rhythmic part, just going into that melodic line. Okay, and then just the rhythmic idea again. then one more melodic line. So still on the A minor, strings 3 and 5, then on the second string, open 1, open, and then strings 3 and 5, and then on the second string, open 1. Teacher, leave them kids alone. Okay, so a lot of it's very similar. It's just, learning the words off by heart is going to really help you out. But that's the first part, and then it's going to go to a D chord. So let's go right the way back to the beginning and play through everything that we've done so far. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the rhythmic thing. We don't need no thought control. Dark sarcasm in the classroom. One more line. Teacher, leave them kids alone. Hope you're enjoying learning how to play this arrangement. If you are, let me know down in the comments, and take a second to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell so you don't miss any regular fingerstyle guitar lessons. From there, it goes straight onto a D chord, and you've got okay, so just hold down your D chord, and I'm strumming just with my index finger. I'm going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 or 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and 4 and, but there's some muted strums going on. So 1 E and a 2 E and a 3. Then I'll do a muted strum, and then one more just normal strum, and then one muted strum. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and 4 and. And you do that twice, okay? And then on the next bar, you just strum 1 E and a 2 E and a 3, okay? Just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down on the D chord. And then you got, so once more it's like, and then, hey, teacher, leave them kids alone. Okay, so that line there, 3rd fret on the 2nd string twice, and then on the top string play that open, then on the 2nd string play 3, 1, 3, 1. Okay, so back to the D. Hey, teacher, leave them kids alone. Okay, and then tie that over to an A minor. So tie this note over, hold down an A minor, then play the bass, and then you got that, okay? So hold down A minor, play the bass, and then on roughly strings, 2, 3, and 4, play strum down, down, up, down, like that. 2 and a 3, and then you got and this bit's great, I love this part. So that there is still on A minor, so top 3 strings, 5th fret, so play that, and then we're going to a G, so that's the top 2 strings, 3rd fret, and then the 4th fret on the 3rd string, so you got, and then back to your A minor, like this, and then off strum up, down, so ba, 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 da, da. Okay, then back to your G, twice on that, and then to a D shape, and we're going to strum down, up, down, and then to a C, and just strum the top 3 strings of a C chord. So it's like, okay, so leave them kids alone, down, down, up, down. Go straight in. Okay, so let's go once more from the D, because this is probably the hardest part of the whole song. And then you've got C. All in all, you're just another brick in the wall. So hold down your C. You strum the top 3 strings, then play the bass, and then you're going to strum down, targeting the 2nd string, and then play that 2nd string twice. So like, and then bass, 2nd string, and then strum again, targeting that 2nd string. And then the 2nd string on its own. So like, if you don't like the strum, just don't do it, just play. It's totally fine. Then it goes to a G, hold down the 3rd fret on the 6th string, play that. And then again strum, targeting the 2nd string, then play the 2nd string, and again with the bass, and then 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then open 3rd string. So like, but if you don't like the strum, just do that. So you've gone, to an A minor, play strings 3 and 5. Then it's just that rhythmic idea. So play those and then strum up, down, 3rd fret on the 6th string, open 5th string, and then strum down, up. Okay, and then bass, strum up, down, and then 5th string, 6th string, 3rd fret on the 6th string. So just like before, the rhythmic idea that we've done before. But then it goes back to C, G. Okay, so that's just a repeat of what we've just learned. So from the C. All in all, you're just another brick in the wall. And then again. You can just strum on an A minor chord to end, or you can hold it and then go back into and just play the whole thing all over again. But there you go, that's how you play this arrangement of Another Brick in the Wall. So that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and head over to 6stringfingerpicking.com where we've got hundreds more lessons all on fingerpicking and a whole bunch of courses that you can take if you want to invest in your playing, your fingerpicking even more. And remember, you can try out all of the courses completely for free when you join the newsletter. So follow the links through down in the description.